Now suppose you are using multiple tabs. Okay, now while working you realize that you have completed working on the Google. Now you want to close all the tabs related to this particular website. You have to click on this and click close all the tabs for this website, and you can see all the tabs related to Google just got closed. Now there is another option, say you are working on Yahoo and now you want to close all the tabs of Yahoo and just keep this particular tab open for the Yahoo, and other websites should remain like this. For example, Bing is also there, so you will click on this option and click this website and leave this tab. You can see the other tab of the Yahoo just got closed and this remained. And then there is third option, which is to just leave this particular tab website open and close all other. Let's do one thing. uh, let's open this particular. So now we have two tabs of Yahoo and Bing. Now we want to continue to work with the Yahoo, but we want the Bing to be closed, so we will do this. Close all the tabs of other websites. You can see Bing just got closed and Yahoo remained.